This 2026 Keystone Bullet 330BKQ is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 11, awning, air conditioning, TV, water heater, DVD player, leveling jacks, slide-out, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Bullet 330BKQ is 8,225 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.